Hello, my name is Kristen. I'm the marketing coordinator at the ALS Group, and I'm going to show you how to create a video using Canva on your desktop. If you're familiar with creating a PowerPoint presentation, Canva is very similar. It combines slides to form a cohesive video. Once you've logged in, you'll be shown to the home page. From here, you can access the Canva video editor by clicking on Create a Design and then searching for video. The size I would recommend using is 1920 by 1080. Clicking here will lead you to the design editing page. Before we get into creating the video, you should have already recorded the clips that you want to use in your video in an MP4 format. Whether it is one clip or a few of them, make sure you upload them to Canva by selecting Uploads, Video, and then simply dragging and dropping your clips. You can upload your video together with the audio or separately if you have some experience with that sort of editing. So let's begin. When you start your project, you'll be able to choose from 3 branded templates that I've created as a starting point for your video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the one that you see on the screen. It already plays a few seconds of video, which you can shorten or lengthen up at the top here. Each clip you have can be added to the video by simply adding a new page at the bottom. Then selecting your clip from those you have already uploaded. The lower third designs at the bottom of the template are locked into place to ensure that every clip displays the ALS Group's logo. You can duplicate this page to ensure that all of your clips show the logo at the bottom. Over here, duplicate a page. Now I'll show you how to get creative with your video. The black panel on the left shows several things that you can add to your video, including photos, which consist of stock imagery, elements, which consist of graphic designs, text, and audio. If you make any mistakes or are trying out different creative styles, you can always delete the change by using the undo button over here, or by removing the item completely by highlighting it and either hitting backspace or using the trash can icon over here. Starting with the photos section, you can use the section to add backgrounds or example images to your pages. Just type in the search bar the kind of image that you're looking for. And once you select the image you want, you can resize or reposition it in the design window. In the Elements tab, search for small or large graphic design elements to add to your video. Some of them can be animated as well. Use the search bar to search for something specific, and you can edit these elements as well by changing their color, size, and orientation. So we could take this one, and we can add effects to it. We can add a filter. We can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. You can crop it, or you can even flip it depending on what you're using it for. In the Text tab, search for the type of font or style of text that best suits what you're trying to convey. Here you should be able to add a text box to the first page of this video that includes your semester and your year of internship. For example, if you click on Add a Subheading, you can drag it to the position you want it to be in. Clear this text and add your own. Spring 2021 internship. Okay. So next, let's go to Audio tab. You can add background music to your video here. Sample the songs that you are looking at by clicking on their image. Then click on the song to add it to your video. In the design window, you can choose how long the song plays for, or even what part of the song you want to play in your video. You can even choose how loud or how soft to make the song in comparison to your own recorded audio. Whatever song you choose, please take note of its copyright information using the 3 dots over here so that we can upload the video to YouTube without incurring a copyright strike. There's more information on that in your guidance document. In the Video tab, you can find stock clips to add to your videos as well. Use the search bar to find a specific subject. Once you select your video, you can cut it, crop it, or flip it in the design window. It is important that you use design items that Canva provides on this application as opposed to downloading images, audio, and video from a separate and unreliable source. Don't forget, you can also play back your video with each edit to make sure that it flows and that it's cohesive. Once you are happy with your video, please share it with me and Jessica so that we can prepare it for posting. If you have any questions about how to use this application beyond this tutorial, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.